Today, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy for using Claude Code AI SEO to basically rank for anything and almost guarantee it. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in a minute because it's not what you think. This is a strategy that works for pretty much everything that we're ranking for. You can see, for example, this website has gone from like 0 to ranking for thousands of keywords and traffic. I'm going to show you multiple examples right here. So if we go through my latest blog here, you'll see some examples. So if we have a look at this one, right, Google Jitro, this is a new trending keyword that we want to start ranking for, right? So we've created a video about it inside our content, and we can get Claude to automate all the content, but I'll come on to that in a second because what's more important is the method that we're using. So if we type in Google Jitro here, right, you can actually see on Google directly, our video is ranking right here, but then we're also ranking with Reddit. If we keep scrolling down, we've got another video ranking right there. And then we've got another video ranking right there. And so you can even see inside the images as well, we're ranking directly. So we're ranking like multiple times for the same keyword inside AI overviews too. And the way that we do this essentially is we're targeting one keyword. We're creating content across pretty much every single platform to rank and get as much traffic as we can, but also to almost guarantee that we will get at least one spot for that keyword. I'll show you some more examples in a minute, but basically you can see what we're doing here is like we're posting to Reddit, we're posting to our blog, we're posting to YouTube, excuse the why there. We're ranking inside AI overviews too, which is great. So Google Gemini, ChatGPT, etc., they'll start ranking us too. And then if we keep scrolling down here, we're ranking with images, which is all part of the strategy as well. So images as well. And then if we keep scrolling down here, what else we got? Yeah, so that's it. If we have a look at another keyword here, but let's say, for example, Hermes AICO, right? Here's another example. So we're ranking with our videos, but then we're also ranking with our website here and LinkedIn and another website and Reddit, right? And so, for example, even like Facebook, we can rank here and then we can rank with our websites too, multiple websites. So we've got Reddit, blog, sometimes it's LinkedIn as well. And you can get Claude Code to help you automate all of this. So let me show you exactly how to do that, right? So let's say, for example, we are targeting the keyword Google Jitro. There's a few things that we need here, right? So if we go inside here, what we're going to need, and I'll pull this up side by side so you can see both at the same time. So if we're using Google Jitro, we're just going to select a folder here. So let's create one inside Claude Code. We're going to open up this folder and we'll say, for example, okay, Google Jitro. That's the method that we're working on right here, yeah? And so let's say the keyword equals Google Jitro. What I would do from here is I would use our strategies to automate, for example, creating a blog post. And the way that I normally do that, this is actually something my team does. I don't really do it anymore, thankfully. But that does prove that it's pretty scalable. But basically what we can do here is we can grab this prompt, like we just put in the keyword like this. I want to put this, just write the content, all right? Trust the workspace. And then Claude Code can start creating the content for us, right? Now, Claude Code as well, there is actually a plugin for Claude, right? And we can actually get Claude to post to our website, to WordPress directly for us as well. If we log into our website, let me do that in the background whilst it's creating content, right? So on the left-hand side, we've got Claude Code, and on the right-hand side, we can actually log in to our website, and then Claude Code can later on start posting this content to our website too, right? So the cool thing about this is when you're doing it, right, you can create videos, but you can also create content on your websites, and you can also create content on social media too. I showed you Reddit. Here's a LinkedIn post as well. It's just a video with the caption, and that'll rank pretty well too, especially if it's a low competition keyword, right? So you see how we're basically dominating the first page of Google for whatever keyword we go after by doing this. Let me I wonder if we're already ranking for this. This would be pretty interesting. Ah, yeah, look, so within 3 hours, we're ranking #1 on Google for this keyword, right? The new update, OpenClaw 4.11. 4.11. And you can see us ranking with Twitter right there as well. So we're ranking with two different things, Twitter and also with our videos too. If we actually click on that link, let's see what that's doing. Yeah, so you can see here, we're ranking with Twitter too, right? And so the whole strategy here is that we're creating content across multiple platforms. Now, how does Claude AI SEO come into this? Let me explain it. I'll put this on a Google Doc, actually. It'll be easier to explain for you. AI SEO. If we want to guarantee ranking on the first page of Google, the best way to do that is to create content across multiple platforms, because #1 will be more likely to be cited inside Google, but #2 will also be more likely to be cited by the AI. And the more times you actually create content across these different platforms, the more chances you have to rank, right? Each one is like a ticket towards ranking on the first page of Google. So if we have a look, for example, here, we've got the article written like so. we can actually say, just open this up for me. And then what we would normally do, you can see the article written here, by the way. So this is the article, as you can see, fully optimized and created for our target keyword. And then we would just post that to our website, right? Now, cool thing about something like Claude Code or, for example, Claude Cowork as well, is we can say, okay, post that to my WordPress website via juliangolder.com/login using the Claude browser extension on Chrome. And basically that can navigate to our website using Claude in Chrome. Now, if you want to get the Chrome extension for Claude, you can just type it in Google and you'll find it, right? And you can see now the Claude is actually navigating to our website, right? It's navigating over to WordPress. It will send us screenshots over here showing us what it's doing, but the agent can control my browser and it can create content for me directly inside WordPress, right? So it can navigate towards creating a new post. And essentially what it's doing here is taking the post that it just drafted and then it's beginning to post it to WordPress for us, right? So not only is the content itself automated, but also posting the content is too. And I can just leave that running in the background task because Chrome over here is beginning to work its magic, right? Claude in Chrome is beginning to work its magic. So you can actually get Claude to, 1, create the content, 2, post the content, and 3, post across multiple platforms, right? Now, what I also like to do here is with stuff like Claude, if I'm going to rank with AI SEO, let me show you what I normally do. So when it comes to creating videos, for example, I like to automate the scripts using something like Claude, and then I could just read them out, or I can get an AI avatar to read them out, targeting the keyword that we want to rank for, right? So for example, here, if we type in, okay, keyword equal, let's say, for example, you're trying to rank for Minimax M2.7, right? New release, it just got released in AI. Let's say you're trying to create a video about that, and you want to rank on Google for that keyword, as well as ChatGPT and AI search engines as well. So what you can see, all I need to do is type in the keyword, and in the background, whilst I'm doing other stuff or whilst I'm talking to you, it's now going to use Claude, and you can do this inside Claude Code as well, but it's now going to use Claude to automate the content that I'll read out later for the actual video, right? As this makes it really easy to create content for the videos that I want to rank directly on Google too. So now I've automated the content for videos, I've automated the content for my WordPress blogs and for my blogs across any other platform. Now, what I can also do here is if I go back to my other projects, you'll find another project that we've got here, which is for shorts, right? So we've actually created something for shorts that automates our content for those videos too. So if I type in, okay, let's say, for example, we want to rank Minimax M2.7 as a short video as well, we can type that in here and it will start researching the web about a particular keyword and then giving me like a short video that I can talk about as well, right? And so now it's going to write the content itself that I can just reel off on the short video too, or I can get my AI avatar to do that too. So you see how we've got the content here that's been automated for our shorts. Now you might say, do shorts rank as well? They actually do. Here's an example, right? So this is a short video that's ranking on the first page of Google for that particular topic, and it's ranking at the top as well. So you can actually rank 2 spots on the first page of Google for your target keyword for short form videos, right? This is only 20 seconds long, 26 seconds long. It's ranking on the first page of Google for that particular keyword as well. So you can rank multiple times on the first page of Google for shorts too, and they're super easy to read out, right? I just have to record for 27 seconds, or I can get my team to create an AI avatar video, and then we rank multiple times on the first page of Google. The main point here is you can basically dominate Google and the first page with all of these different strategies I'm showing you. And that's exactly what we're doing right here. Now, if we go back to WordPress here, let's just check. Yes, you can see the article has been posted, and then it will say, do you want me to publish it and make it live? So I can just type in yes if I want to publish it. But the main point here is, like, we've got the article, it's fully written, it was fully automated and posted by Claude, and look at that. It's even formatted nicely with nice tables and everything else, right? So you can see how scalable this approach is. The other thing that's important to note here is it's linked out to my funnel pages as well. So for example, you can see here it's linking out to the SEO Elite Circle, to booking a free SEO strategy session, etc. And this was fully automated with Claude. So that's basically the whole strategy. That's how it's worked with proof that it actually works as well. That's what we're doing across here. You can see as well, this particular page is ranked inside AI overviews, inside ChatGPT, inside Perplexity, inside Gemini. It's a proven strategy that works everywhere we go, right? And that's how you do it. That is my Claude AI SEO strategy, how to create content, how to automate it, and how to dominate the first page for the keywords you want to rank for. If you want to get a free SEO strategy session where we'll look at your website, we'll analyze where you can rank, how you can rank, give you a custom tailored game plan to rank in as well, You can book that via goldie.agency, link in the comments description, or go to Goldie Agency, goldie.agency that is, and you can book in a free SEO strategy session where we'll give you a free SEO domination plan, custom tailored to your website. You'll discover the secrets of SEO link building. You can answer any questions on the call as well. You can learn the best link building strategies for your website, plus how to outrank your competitors with link building and how to increase your SEO traffic based on what's working for us and our clients. So feel free to book that in. Appreciate you watching. See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.